I've had many good teachers in high school in California, Cupertino, California. I think, a very good public school education there. But the one teacher I had was really a mentor, and that was the playwright and writer Frank Chin in San Francisco. When I went to college in Santa Cruz, left to go to San Francisco, meeting Frank was just, it opened my mind to a whole new horizon of Asian American literature and culture. I was fortunate because at the time Frank was part of a cohort with other writers, Asian American writers, Sean Wong, Lawson Inada, Jeff Chan, and together they had created a new anthology called IE, an anthology of Asian American writers. And this was again at the start of like the early '70s, really the birth of ethnic studies in San Francisco, the birth of an Asian American literary sensibility. So it was that experience that led me kind of on the path I'm on now, to understand, to recover an authentic Asian American cultural sensibility. I was attracted at first by the Frank's Asian American Theater Workshop, which was founded on the principle not of fame, but on the content of the writing and on the recovery, again, of Asian American history through oral history. And then a second intersection I had with Frank was 5 years later when he became engaged with the campaign for redress and reparations for the World War II incarceration of Japanese Americans. And he recruited me to join him in organizing the very first commemoration Day of Remembrance celebration, which kind of kicked off the popular campaign for redress. And his appeal to me was, Japanese Americans are making a move. I think it's bold, but they're not. They don't know how to win the issue, and we need to help them because if you lose your history, if you lose redress, you lose Japanese American history, and if you lose your history, you can kiss Japanese American art goodbye. And I understood immediately what he meant, and that's how he hooked me. And for the next like 10 years, we pursued the redress campaign. So, and ever since then, I've continued to follow that path of recovering lost and suppressed Japanese American histories. So, Frank's been a mentor. He would not want to be called a teacher. He doesn't want friends, and doesn't he wants readers, not a cult. So I'm really indebted to Frank and his 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 leadership, his vision informed me as well as hundreds and thousands of others.